Hello photography fans and welcome back to another video. Today on LensVid we're taking a quick hands-on look at this Ulanzi 3-arm tabletop stand and their unique clamp.
Since 2016, the Chinese company Ulanzi has been developing photo equipment and accessories such as mobile phone stabilizers, rigs, microphones, LED lights, brackets, phone camera lenses, tripods, and action cam accessories. Their other brand, UURig, focuses more on vlogging gear. Today we're looking at a product that Ulanzi calls the live broadcast boom arm. This tabletop stand ships disassembled in a box with a few accessories. It only takes a few minutes to put all the pieces together and decide how to arrange the three arms. The stand is an all-metal construction with hard plastic knobs. Its assembly joints are nice and sturdy. The base plate that attaches to the table is pretty hefty and holds the whole rig with no problems. The included microphone support arm is probably the weakest part of the rig. It doesn't look as sturdy as the other arms, but it is quite long and it sits on a double-jointed arm so you can position it in any way that you need. The microphone arm comes with a plastic mic holder, but you can also use any other attachment with a 1/4-inch thread. Another accessory included in the box is a small metal ball head with a proprietary quick release plate. It's pretty simple, but it feels quite tough and holds a small camera setup with no problems. This tabletop setup is mainly for a workstation to facilitate live streams, Zoom calls, and talking head recordings, but we wanted to see if we can give it other useful functions in the studio. We tried it during our recent food and product shoots and we found some clever ways of supporting gear and products with the different arms. The most obvious usage for this rig is to mount gear nearby, with the ability to quickly change its position depending on the need. As we mounted different accessories on the articulating arms, we found that these provide pretty smooth sweep-in moves for camera and lights. Another helpful option is as an overhead mount. This will probably work best with a very light camera setup or with a smartphone. Optionally, you could adapt the other two arms to mount other cameras, providing multi-angle close-ups for tabletop demos, for example. The other Ulanzi accessory that we're working with today is this interesting UURig clamp. It's a pretty compact size compared to other clamps that we have in the studio, but it has a really wide range of grip for its size. The clamp opens to 4.7 centimeters. Unlike other clamps, this one features 6 1/4-inch threads plus 2 3/8 connections, one of which is an anti-twist connection. This Ulanzi unit is similar to the small rig super clamp, but isn't as expensive. The connection threads are on different sides of the clamp, so you can always find the best way to mount it depending on your specific use. As a bonus, the UURig clamp comes with 2 male-to-male connection screws, a 1/4-inch 20 and a 3/8. We have other, simpler clamps in the studio that are about the same size as this UURig, but this one features a deeper claw design that helps to tightly grip a variety of surfaces. As for pricing, the live broadcast boom arm sells for just under $106, and the UURig R060 super clamp sells for just under $23.
And that is it for our quick look at the Ulanzi 3-arm tabletop stand and their clamp. You can check out the full review on our website at lensvid.com. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and come back for new videos. We'll see you in the next one.
Bloopers.
Our look at the Ulanzi
3 table. Yeah.
You can check out the full article on our website. Look at this Ulanzi 3-arm tabletop stand and their unique clamp.